How to add weather to home screen on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your phone and hold on to the home screen. After that, at the bottom, click on Widgets. You'll find different widgets in here. Scroll down till you find Weather widget. Then you can scroll to the left and search for the specific widget you want. To add the widget, hold on to the widget you want to add, and then add it wherever you want on your home screen. Then select Background Transparency and click on Tick Mark at the top right. After that, you're good to go. This is how to add weather to home screen on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.